What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO and day 6 of my CLA45s. Right guys, so you're in for a treat today because we're going to be taking a quick overview and look and my thoughts on the exterior of the gorgeous CLA45s. And we've got it here in the gorgeous matte paint. This is the Designo Mountain Grey. It's a special colour, it's a little bit more expensive, but you get this really nice matte effect. And I've talked about it already, but we're going to take a further look in this video. It just looks absolutely stunning. Okay guys, so first let's just talk about the side profile of the car. I mean, the video says more than words could possibly say, but how cool is it? I mean, you've got the sloping coupe style roof here at the back, you know, 4 doors, you know, it's a coupe, but it's a 4-door coupe. I quite like that because you've got the practicality, but you've also got the sporty coupe looks. But looking down the line here, it has some really nice flat lines, and I just love the overall shape from the side. And of course, we've got the amazing AMG wheels. When you see these wheels on an AMG, you know it's one of the top AMGs. I just love them. They've got this lovely matte black. It's kind of flat and it gels so well with the matte paint on the car. And yeah, you've even got AMG badging on the rear calipers. But if we come here to the front, look at how big these red brake calipers are. It's absolutely insane. And they just stand out so well against the black. And yeah, I just love these AMG wheels. Then on the side here, you've got the Turbo 4MATIC Plus badge. That is the amazing 4-wheel drive system in this car, and the badge is really cool. I love how 4MATIC Plus is on the black, and you've got the red plus. That shows you this car is sporty and it means business. Along the bottom here too, you've also got this high gloss black trim, and it contrasts so well against the matte grey. It just really pops and stands out. You've got these high shine blacks and then these nice flat greys, and the overall package is crazy because this black gloss just runs throughout the car. You know, you've got it on the back, you've got it on the front. I'm going to show you in this video and you're going to see it all. It's just so nice. I absolutely love it. Since we're reviewing the exterior of the car in this video, I thought this would be a great time to show you my new CLA45s t-shirt. Now I've designed this t-shirt with my exact car spec. So if you look at the t-shirt here, you can see it's got all the details. It's got the red calipers, it's got the grille, it's got the blacked out windows, it's got the black trim. I just love this car so much that I really had to launch a new t-shirt. Now, this is a business that I run called Petrolheadtees.com. Basically, I sell car t-shirts, you know. We've got loads of C43 and Mercedes t-shirts, but we do Audi, BMW. There's just a nice big selection of t-shirts, and it's a nice family run business. You know, Becky and Amelia helped me out. I designed all the t-shirts myself, so all of them go through quite a strict quality control process with myself. And yeah, I just wanted to share with you the new CLA45s t-shirt we've got. You're going to be seeing me wearing these a lot because I love these t-shirts and I love this car. Right, let's continue on with the quick tour of the exterior of the CLA45s. And now we're going to be looking at probably my most favorite thing about this car, the front end. I mean, where to begin? You've got these massive arch scoops. I can't think in my head what to call them, but they make it look mean. You just know there's a killer engine underneath that bonnet. And then you've got the black Mercedes badge, and then the signature piece that really sets this car off, the AMG grille. Now this grille is just so mean looking. The way it kind of blends in and goes through those scoops on the hood. If I was a villain in a movie, I'd probably have this grille because it just looks so mean. And I can imagine if you have this car behind you and you see this grille, you're probably thinking, oh, he's going to overtake me in a minute if I don't speed up. So yeah, kind of just looking at it, I mean, video will say more than 1,000 words, but it just looks so nice. You've got the really nice big prominent Mercedes badge. It just looks so good and I love it, and it really sets the car off when you see it from the front. And also another great thing about the front of the car too is you can really see the AMG performance seats from the front. Like if you're standing here and you're looking in, you can see the silver parts and the AMG badge shining and all the yellow trim, and it really gives the car a race car sporty look. It just adds so much sportiness, and I don't know, it just looks so good. Coming in now a bit closer to the front of the car, there's some really cool little details here. There's these nice little black canards. Now, There's something you don't see on a lot of cars, and they just really add this awesome aggressive feel to the front of this car. It kind of just comes out, and like I said earlier, the gloss black against the matte grey just looks absolutely stunning on this car, and it makes all these little sporty details pop even more than they normally would. While we're down here as well, I just want to show you guys a closer look at these amazing wheels and these massive red AMG brake calipers. They're just so stunning, and they give the car such an aggressive and sporty look. Now I want to talk you guys through the back of the car because it's absolutely stunning and there's loads of really nice little details. First, I want to start off with this amazing black spoiler. Now, it's a lot bigger than the one we had on the C43. It's got this really nice shape to it. It kind of curves in here and then comes back out, and when you look at it from the back, it just adds so much to the back of the car. I mean, it's gloss black as well, so it's sitting really nicely against the matte paint. It just really makes the car way more aggressive. Now, as we go further down the back of the car, things get even more exciting because we've got this amazing gloss black rear diffuser. It's got these massive holes. They're so big I can fit my hand in there, and like I said, it's gloss black, so it stands out really well against the matte grey. And inside is the best bit, and that is the quad AMG exhaust pipes. Now, the quad AMG exhaust pipes always look awesome, and it's a great signifier to let people know that you are in the sportiest model and you can go very, very fast. But these ones are even more special than the C43 because if you have a closer look, you can see they've actually got the AMG badge engraved, which just sets them off and makes them on another level. And guys, the small details don't stop there. You've also got these gloss black, I don't really know what to call them. Does anyone know what to call them? Let me know in the comments if you know, but you've got these air intakes here. They're probably fake, but I don't care because they look awesome. And they've added, to make it even more sporty, a gloss black piece here. And like I keep saying, guys, like a broken record, all these gloss black bits, they all add up together and they just give this car such an aggressive look. Looking at the small details now too, we've got this amazing CLA45s badge here. I love how the S is in black with the chrome against it. It just really pops and it just looks so nice. While we're back here too, I feel like we have to talk about these amazing rear lights here. They're actually connected to the boot. So as you can see, there's like a separation here, and I just think that's a really cool feature, and I love how they wrap all the way around the side of the back of the car. They just look so cool. So there we have it, guys. That's my exterior tour of my CLA45s. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're enjoying the new car, the CLA45s, and all the content. I'm having so much fun filming with this car, and I cannot wait to run the engine in so we can really tear it up in Sport Plus and race mode. If you did enjoy this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up because it really helps me and the channel out. And guys, if you could check out my store, Petrolheadtees.com, you know, Christmas is coming, you know, drop some hints with the wife or mates or friends and get yourself a nice t-shirt. You know, we've got all sorts of t-shirts from BMW, Mercedes, but you know, we've got the CLA45s t-shirts now, and I'm going to be wearing these a lot in my videos, so you're going to see a lot of these. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video. I hope it all comes out okay, and for more content on this car and other great Mercedes content and just general car fun, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching again, guys. I'll see you next time.